Finally, on this last part, we are going to introduce Power BI. Nowadays, Power BI is one of the most used tools in business. As we have seen in the first part of the unit, it's the leader of the market. Power BI is a collection of software services, applications, and connectors that work together to turn unrelated data sources into coherent, interactive, and visually appealing information. What is great about this platform is that it has an environment of free access. This means that you and your students can download it for free and work with it. It also has paid licenses, but they are used more for business when it's relevant for the users to have a collaborative environment. Another advantage of the platform is the community environment it has. There is a lot of accessible information, there are accessible courses. The tool is obviously a Microsoft tool with its entire Microsoft environment, and it's very simple to learn how to use. Power BI was born kind of like the evolution of Excel, the evolution of dynamic tables with much more muscle, sort of speak, that allows you to do many more things. From there, Microsoft creates an independent tool that connects with any database. It can be Excel or SQL, but also tools outside the world of Microsoft, such as Oracle or MongoDB. What we see here is that the platform easily allows the user to extract and transform the data, and once we have all that data on the platform, we can create panels and visualizations that enable the user to access the most important information in a much more efficient way. In this first introduction, we are not going to go into depth with the tool, as it will take another entire course. What we are going to define are those basic blocks that the platform has: visualizations, datasets, reports, panels, and icons. Beginning with visualizations, they are a visual representation of your data. Elements you can use to represent your data visually, such as diagrams or color-coded maps. If we talk about visualizations, we are talking about the end result, which in reality is what you interact with: data visualizations, filters, segmentations where I can see some trends, critical values, maximums. Here what we are going to see is that it's very easy to make a visualization. It was already easy to make graphs with Excel, but I would dare to say that it's even easier to make visualizations with Power BI. A dataset is that collection of data that I'm going to use to create the visualizations. They can be a combination of many different sources, whether they are on cloud or on-premise, from Microsoft or outside the platform. Reports are a set of visualizations where I am already telling that story, where I am already showing a journey to reach certain conclusions by different criteria. Reports allow you to create numerous visualizations across multiple pages, if necessary, as well as organize those visualizations in the best way to tell your story. When you are ready to share a report or collection of visualization, you create a dashboard. A dashboard must fit on a single page, also call it a canvas. You can share dashboards with other users or groups who can then interact with the dashboard when they are in the Power BI service or in their mobile device. And for the last one, an icon is a single visualization on a dashboard. It is the rectangle that contains an individual visual object. When you create a dashboard in Power BI, the icons can be moved or arranged however you prefer. You can make them larger, change the height or width, and group them with other icons.